How familiar are you with the future trends in facilities management? Whether you're a seasoned expert or just dipping your toes in, we've got some intriguing insights to share. Welcome to the future of facilities management, a landscape that is rapidly transforming, driven by innovative technologies and shifting dynamics. In the past year, technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning have been making waves across various industries, including facilities management. They've opened up new possibilities in sustainability, asset management, predictive maintenance, and capital replacement. Business intelligence has also advanced, lending FM teams the power to make decisions faster and more accurately. However, the road to the future is not without its challenges. Material and labor shortages, broken supply chains, these are hurdles to overcome. But as professionals in the field, it is crucial to stay updated on technology and continually seek training and best practices to adapt to this ever-changing industry. The coming year, 2024, promises even more exciting trends. From the integration of AI and machine learning into FM software to predictive maintenance using IoT sensor data, and the expansion of CMMS support for critical environments, it's clear that the world of facilities management is set to evolve in ways we can only begin to imagine. So, shall we dive into what 2024 has in store for us in the world of facilities management? Buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride. One of the most significant trends for 2024 is the integration of AI and machine learning in facilities management. These innovative technologies are transforming the way we manage buildings and facilities, enhancing sustainability, asset management, predictive maintenance, and capital replacement. Let's consider sustainability. AI and machine learning can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions, helping managers to optimize energy use and reduce their facilities' carbon footprints. In terms of asset management, these technologies can monitor equipment in real time, predict possible failures, and suggest proactive maintenance. This not only extends the life of assets, but also prevents costly and disruptive breakdowns. Predictive maintenance is another area where AI and machine learning shine. By analyzing data from IoT sensors, these technologies can predict when equipment might fail and schedule maintenance before it happens, reducing downtime and saving money. Lastly, we have capital replacement. AI and machine learning can predict when equipment will need to be replaced, allowing managers to plan and budget for these expenses in advance. These technologies are game changers, enabling facilities management teams to manage increasing work order volumes more effectively. In this rapidly evolving industry, embracing AI and machine learning is not just beneficial, it's necessary. Next up on our list of trends to watch is predictive maintenance and the expansion of computerized maintenance management system support. Predictive maintenance, powered by Internet of Things sensor data, is a real game changer. Imagine a world where equipment failure and downtime are things of the past. This is the world that predictive maintenance is creating. By continually monitoring equipment conditions and analyzing data, predictive maintenance can alert facility managers to potential problems before they become catastrophic failures. Now, let's turn our attention to CMMS support. In an increasingly complex world, managing work orders can be a daunting task. That's where CMMS comes in. By streamlining work order management, CMMS support can make a world of difference, especially in critical environments. It allows for a more efficient use of resources, providing real-time insights and analytics to aid decision-making. Together, predictive maintenance and CMMS support are revolutionizing the way facility management operates. They are not just trends, they are the future, enabling facility managers to stay one step ahead in a rapidly evolving industry. Predictive maintenance and CMMS support are game changers, helping facilities managers to stay one step ahead. Keep in mind that these are not just trends to observe. They are opportunities for facilities managers to improve their operations to make them more efficient, effective, and sustainable. It's all about not just keeping up, but staying ahead, being proactive rather than reactive. The retirement of many facility managers and the return of work order volumes necessitate the use of technology, making tech-savvy facility managers in high demand. Younger professionals should seize this opportunity to become FM technology experts. The future of facilities management is not just about keeping up with the trends, it's about leveraging them to create more efficient and sustainable workplaces. So, are you ready to embrace the future? If you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Stay tuned for regular updates on maximizing efficiency and achieving your maintenance goals. Thanks for watching.